the world. It is about being the best for the world. Kaya mga kabataan, patuloy kayong mangulat, maglingkod at magbigay ng inspirasyon. Because the future is not ahead of you. The future is in you.
Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, wag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin wag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan.
Our first place Dayo na Kalanguran is none other than...
Sabi nila kapag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo. Bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. But wait, because this is not about my love story. This is my legacy. I am Gian May Katindig, your Chinitang student leader from Alaminos City. I represented Alaminos City National High School in every stage of excellence. As the SSLG president, I carried our voice beyond campus, to division, region, to national stages, and represented my city in the Learners Convergence Philippines for 3 years. I brought the Philippines to Taiwan, carrying our identity and pride as a Girl Scout. From Pangasinan leadership to DRRM and ARNIS, this is just some of my legacy. Muli, ako po si Gian May M. Katindig, taas noong tumitindig at kumakatawan bilang inyong Chinitang student leader ng Alaminos City.
My leadership po didn't start as something na nakikita ko po yung service na sa pagtulong. Nakikita ko po ang leadership as awards. Yun lamang po. But then, my former president, sila Ate Daniel Gulen, also JCI member, sila Ate Laila Ragudos po na nagmulat po sa akin na ang pagiging leader ay hindi dapat lagi for recognition. It is to serve a lot of people, to inspire a lot of people, kahit hindi po nila nakikita yun. And that is the proof of my leadership. Madami pong hindi nakakita ng hard works ko na pag-represent ng school ko into division, provincial, regional, national, and even international stages. But then, I realized na meron palang ibibigay si God na ma-recognize ka ng buong region mo. And that is what I'm thankful for today. To my fellow awardees, congratulations po. You did your best, you did well during your term. And hindi lang po sarili ko ang nire-represent ko dito, but the whole Alaminos and the whole Pangasinan po. So, ipagpapatuloy ko po ang aking nasimula sa college days ko po. And I will serve our country, our community well. Maraming salamat po.
I am Gian May M. Katindig, taas noong tumitindig at kumakatawan bilang inyong Chinitang student leader from Alaminos City. And I am your most outstanding young leader of Pangasinan, Top 1!